The Drift Podcast can be found at driftsociably.com.
And now it's time for From the Cast.
Is it a tow or a salvage? And who makes the call? Towboat Captain Clint Allen has the answer.
All right, Clint, the big question that we get a lot, we just had a storm in our area, and many boats ended up on the rocks. Some ended up on marshes. So as a matter of fact, I saw you on the back of a heavy tow pulling a boat out of the water. And when you see Clint Allen of Towboat US on the back of a heavy tow truck lifting a boat out of the water, if that's your boat, you're probably not having a good day.
Right.
All right?
Yeah.
But we want to talk about towing and towing membership and salvage.
All right.
What's the difference?
Okay, so towing is similar to, everybody's familiar with AAA for automobiles.
Yep.
We're the same thing. Our towing membership, you buy the membership, $179 annually.
The best buy on the planet, by the way.
Well,
I like to say the
many-
cost of
many
a
say,
dinner for
right?
two at the marina,
Yeah.
and you get towed from back to your home port from anywhere, right?
Right, and once you become a member, you get free towing.
Great.
And salvage is a whole different ballgame. So with your towing membership, if your boat sinks, you're not covered. And we hear it a lot. People call me up and say, "Oh, my boat sunk at the
Well,
dock."
what if it's sinking?
Same thing. The minute we put a pump on
What
a boat,
constitutes sunk?
well, it could be many different things. And we
Taking on water?
yeah, we have it all the time at the marinas.
Okay.
The guy will come down and boat sunk right at the slip.
Okay.
And what the cause is, it could be this last storm that you mentioned. We had two boats in one marina in New Bedford, and both of them were sunk because they had their sterns to the wind.
Okay.
So the wave action lapped over the boat.
I know the boat. I saw the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eventually, it got filled with water. The bilge pumps will die. Batteries will kill the bilge. The bilge pump will kill the battery. Eventually, the batteries are dead. Water keeps coming in. There was a long storm. There was 18 hours of continuous wave action. So how that fella could have prevented his boat from sinking was simply turn it around and put the bow into the wind. So, but they sink for many reasons, and when they do, it's a salvage. So it has nothing to do with your Towboat US.
So if I'm not at my boat, it's at the marina, it sinks. I call Clint Allen and I say, I have a towboat membership. Can you come get my boat out?
Right.
You're going to say
And the
that's
first thing I'm going to tell you is,
salvage.
unfortunately, Cap, is your boat insured by a carrier other than Towboat US is for towing only.
Okay.
And again, I use the analogy of it's like AAA on the for your automobile. If your automobile goes down a big embankment 150 feet into the woods, AAA is not coming to tow you out.
Okay.
That's going to be an insurance job. Yeah, you have to have insurance, and that's if anybody takes anything away from this, insurance.
But very good point.
Yeah.
Check your hull insurance, which is your overall insurance, because your towboat insurance isn't going to help you if you're hot on the rocks after a storm, if you've sunk at your marina. Very good tips, Cap.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Valuable information as always there, Clint. And remember to follow the Drift Podcast at driftsociably.com and wherever you listen to podcasts.